Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived a kind mother sparrow. She had 7 little baby sparrows. They lived together in a small nest on a tall tree. Every morning, the mother sparrow flew out to find food for her children. Before leaving, she always said, "Dear children, stay in the nest, and do not fly away alone. The forest can be dangerous." The 7 little sparrows chirped happily. "Don't worry, Mother. We will stay safe." One sunny day, while their mother was away, the baby sparrows saw beautiful butterflies flying around the tree. They wanted to play with them. The first little sparrow said, "Let's fly down and catch the butterflies." But the second sparrow said, "Mother told us not to leave the nest." Soon they heard a hungry cat walking under the tree. The cat looked up and said, "Little sparrows, come down. I have sweet grains for you." But the smartest sparrow remembered their mother's words and said, "No, our mother told us not to talk to strangers." Just then, the mother sparrow came back with food in her beak. She saw the cat and quickly chased it away. She hugged her children and said, "You did the right thing by staying in the nest." The baby sparrows were happy and proud because they listened to their mother. From that day, they always remembered their mother's advice and stayed safe. Moral of the story: always listen to your parents because they care about your safety.